Hi everyone, it's Elham from Skin Checker, the place to purchase excellent quality cosmetic raw material and to learn how to formulate like a cosmetic chemist. And today, Svetlana and I are going to show you how to make these cute Easter eggs, Easter threads, Easter whatever you call them. These are body melts and these are quite in at the moment because one, you don't need any water. So they are quite ecological and zero waste. Second, no water, no hassle with pH measurement and adjustment, and no preservative. And third, you don't need any specific packaging material, any plastic for them. And they are used really till to the latest milligram. They are used. It is not like a cream that something remains in the end of the bottle and you cannot use it. These easily melt by contact with the skin, and you can rub them over the skin and it imparts a nice and silky effect. You can easily pack them in silk paper and in tissue paper, and then wrap them and pack them in some cute thread box or bags, or in some reusable jars or glass jars, so they are absolutely waste free and you don't need any plastic for packaging. You can prepare them as a giveaway or as a gift or as a product to sell for the Easter. So follow Svetlana to see how she makes these cute body melts.